Today we are discussing about a new chapter, construction of quadrilaterals. Here we are discussing 7 quadrilaterals, then mainly 4 angles and 4 angles and 4 sides. A closed figure with 4 sides and 4 angles called quadrilaterals. Then first of all, rectangle. If you are in this rectangle, then the opposite sides are equal. If you are constructing a rectangle, the opposite sides, then A, B and CD are opposite sides. Then opposite sides, the AB opposite to CD, also AD opposite to BC, opposite sides are equal. First one. Then opposite sides are parallel. Parallel means parallel. AB and DC are parallel, also AD and BC also parallel, like this. Then all angles are right angles. Each and every angles are right angles. There are 4 angles. 4 angles are right angles. Equal diagonals. Then the length of the diagonals are equal. Diagonal means AC is the one diagonal. Then BD also another diagonal. The length of AC is equal to what? AC is equal to BD. BD. Then diagonal bisect each other. Bisect means bisect at the midpoint. Then clearly we can say AO is equal to CO. Also DO is equal to BO. Bisect each other means bisect at the center. Then two equal points. Next we are discussing about the square. Then if you are considering a square, the specialties of squares are given below. Then listen, all sides are equal. All sides are equal. 4 sides are equal. Then opposite sides are parallel. Then this side is parallel to this one. Also the upper and bottom sides are parallel. All angles are right angles. All angles are right angles. Then equal diagonals. Then already we are discussing about the diagonal in the rectangle. Also here also in the case of square, the diagonals are also equal. Then next, diagonals are diagonals are the perpendicular bisectors. Means if you are the diagonals, the angle between these diagonals should be 90 degree. Then if you are regarding rectangle and square, we can see so many common properties. Then next we are discussing about parallelogram. In the case of parallelogram, opposite sides also equal. Then opposite sides are also parallel. Then diagonal bisect each other. If you are constructing diagonals, then the diagonal bisect each other. Clearly we know that this side is equal to this one. The length are equal. Then opposite angles are equal. Then here the angle A opposed to angle C. Then angle A should be equal to angle C. Also angle B is equal to angle D. Then sum of the angles on the same sides are If we are considering the side AB, then the angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, angle C and angle D is equal to 180 degree. Then also if you are considering B and C, the angle B and C also is equal to what? 180 degree. In the case of rhombus means a parallelogram with the equal sides. We can say clearly that's a rhombus. Then in the case of rhombus, if you are considering rhombus, all sides are equal. The side AB, BC, each and every sides are equal. Then opposite sides are parallel. AB parallel to CD, also AD parallel to BC, like that. Then diagonals are perpendicular bisectors. If you are considering the diagonals, first one AC, also then perpendicular bisectors. Already we have discussed. Here should be the angle should be 90 degree. Then opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles means angle A is equal to what? Angle C. Clearly angle B is equal to angle D. Then sum of the angles on the same side also 180 degree. Then clearly we can say angle A plus angle B is equal to what? 180 degree. If we are considering a trapezium also is a case of a quadrilateral. Then trapezium, only one pair of opposite sides are equal. Then only one pair of opposite sides are equal. Then if you are considering the ABCD, the trapezium ABCD, here the AB parallel to CD. Then the other sides are BC, not parallel to AD. Only one pair on parallel sides. Then sum of the angles of the non-parallel sides. Sum of the angles on the non-parallel sides are 180 degree. If you are considering this one, then non-parallel sides, the angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Also angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Then another one, the case of isosceles trapezium ABCD. If you are considering the isosceles trapezium ABCD, then a trapezium with two equal sides called isosceles trapezium. Only one pair of opposite sides are parallel. The side AB parallel to CD. Then non-parallel sides are equal. The side AD and BC, the length of BC and AD should be equal. Diagonals are equal. In the case, the diagonal AC is equal to the diagonal BD. Then angles on the each parallel sides are equal. Each parallel side, the angles, the means angle A is equal to angle B. Also angle D is equal to angle C. Then sum of the angles at non-parallel sides means non-parallel sides. The non-parallel sides are AD and BC. If you are considering the angle in the side AD, angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. The last one is kite. Then here adjacent sides are equal. Then diagonal bisect each other. Okay, here we are discussing about the quadrilaters. There are 7 quadrilaters. All of you write down in your notebook the 7 figure and the specialties of the quadrilaters, 7 quadrilaters.